Hello guys! Welcome to my channel. It's day of our India trip, and for today's video guys is we are gonna go to Namo Ghat. That is one of the 84 something ghats here in Varanasi, and we haven't been there because as I've seen that it is kinda unique. It's like there are the Namaste hand of Indians, that those are the designs over there, like that's the attraction to see there. And later after that, we're gonna go to watch Aarti because Ate Ana wasn't able to see it the other night while I did in, I forgot which ghat was that. So yeah, it is our last night here in Varanasi because tomorrow we're gonna be going to Delhi again by at around 6 a.m. via train again. So come with us guys. Bye! Here's the baya again from yesterday, from last night. We are on the way na guys to Namo Ghat. And the baya that is taking us to the Namo Ghat was the baya from last night who took us to the cooking class. So guys, we are here na walking nearby the Namo Ghat. So it took us around 20 minutes from our hotel till here. And I paid 200 rupees for the auto. And maybe I asked the hotel owner what should be our... Ay, ito nga ba siya mga foodangs? I asked the... Wait guys, I got distracted because of Ate Ana. Because she saw the foods. So let's go first to the Namo Ghat, guys. Ay, si Kuya. Ayun, baya Namo Ghat?
This Namo Ghat here.
Okay.
हाँ मैडम
Namo Ghat?
नमो घाट इसको बंद कर दीजिए
Ha?
बंद कर दीजिए
What bad ka di?
कैमरा
No camera?
नो कैमरा अलाउड
Says who?
प्लेस इज स्टॉप
It says here, there's a law written.
व्हाई
There's a law written, no allowed photo.
नो नो
Ano allowed?
Photo is not allowed.
Only mobile?
मोबाइल अलाउड
Mobile, not this
Yeah.
one.
नो
Not this one, okay.
नो
Okay. Guys, so as of now, I'm gonna be using my camera because I don't know, the guards in the front guards told me that it's not allowed to use my vlogging camera. So I'll just be using my iPhone camera to capture this and show you guys. Hi Baz. Where are we going next? Okay, let's use the wide, guys. It's so hard to use the camera, guys. I'm not used to the camera anymore. This phone. Okay, this is the front side, guys. Front side, and also there you can see hey, look guys, it's lighting. Oh, maganda nga paggabi, besh. It's lighting, guys. See, oh, this is nice at nighttime for sure. Definitely.
selfie बोल रहे हैं यार
Ay, video pa yan. Digital ba it's video?
Selfie is not clear. Once again, once more.
Sorry.
Selfie daw na clear.
Okay.
सेल्फी इज नॉट क्लियर चलो
Okay.
1% बैटरी बच
Well, I have YouTube. YouTube. Subscribe to my channel. Yeah, so that you can see your face, I will post you on my vlog. So please subscribe.
Channel names?
Yeah.
Channel names?
YouTube.
I have many card notes. Search for it. What's your Facebook channel?
प्रवीण एजुकेशन प्लस इट इज रिलेटेड अबाउट एजुकेशन
Tell them.
Yes.
Tell here. What's the name of your channel?
वीडियो बना दो ना
प्रवीण एजुकेशन प्लस
भैया को वीडियो बना दो चल क्या
Are you friends?
यस मैम
Are you friends? What's your name?
माय नेम इज प्रवीण कुमार प्रवीण कुमार
Ha?
माय नेम इज प्रवीण कुमार
Praveen Kumar. You ba yan?
आई एम फ्रॉम डेरी ऑनसन बिहार
अमित पाल
Amit Khan.
पाल
Pal.
दिस इज टाइटल
उत्तर प्रदेश
Ha?
यूपी उत्तर
UP, Uttar Pradesh. You Bihar?
बिहार
Bihar. You Bihar also.
यूपी ओनली
How old are you? How old are you?
अप्रॉक्स 29
Age?
29
29?
एज 5 to 6
Age? Age?
Age.
Ha?
16
16. Still young pa pala.
and what is your age
Me? Guess. Guess karo.
age
You guess.
guess
Guess.
okay approx 28 and 30
Exactly. 28.
28
Yeah.
yes
कवले लाइक यार बोलिए
and please subscribe my channel Government Education Plus
Yes, later after
Yes,
I
yes,
end this,
yes.
you can
दे क्या हो
पाव बाकी है अब हीरो आगे चला दे
Muskan. Age.
उमर उमर तो इधर आ
Is your photo?
है शर्मा रहे हो यार पूजी नहीं रही है
Hirap ba yan? Picture video. Picture video ba yan? Yeah, picture video.
देख रहा नहीं
Sulat ako picture video.
and come here
राजा भी इधर देखा लोगों सेपरेट
Huh?
सेपरेट
Shared. Shared ba yan? Shared.
Sharing.
हम कैसे बतियाएंगे यार जब सवारी
Sharing?
Sharing.
Okay, come. So you see the Ganga Aarti?
Yeah.
Just like the rounding for the Ghat.
No, we will just go to the Aarti itself.
Ceremonial.
Yes.
Okay, come with me.
Yeah. 200 each, right?
Sorry?
200 each.
200
200.
rupees each.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I already have yesterday.
फोटे बड़ी फोटे
तो सन्नी देवल बनना
Hi. Sabi si Kuya. Where's he?
दशा में ये ना गो
नहीं चलने हाँ वो
बैठिए बैठिए नहीं नहीं बस हो गया बस चलेगा तुरंत
Ay, Google. We don't understand what they're talking about, guys. My gosh. We are on the way na, guys, to the Ghat for the Aarti. Aarti Ghat. Yeah, Aarti Ghat. where they do the Aarti.
Still waiting for some passengers.
Yeah. We got, actually because vlogging camera is not allowed guys, so I wasn't able to use my vlogging camera earlier. So I just used my phone. So yeah. And now we're here, riding on a shared ride, boat ride. So yes. It is now 6:26 p.m. And I tied my hair now because I know that the wind will ruin my hair. Yeah, yeah, they thought that we are from Korea, guys. They're looking for passengers for Ganga Aarti. Ganga Aarti. So guys, I wasn't able to take a video of me or a photo of me there at the Namo Hands. A lot of guys were taking photos with us, so yeah, we got busy and we didn't notice that it's already 6:30 and we need to head at the Ghat, at the Aarti Ghat fast because the Aarti will start in a while because it's almost sunset, guys, as you can see. So yeah. Bess, how's the experience, Bess? Having photos clicked? Does she know what I feel? She now knows what I feel and how I feel. Philippines. Like Korean. From Philippines. But Baya said we look like Korean. Do we look like Korean? I don't look like Korean. Guys, the art is about to start, but then Baya doesn't still want to go. So, so they kept saying chalo because Baya is such a freak. Actually, malayo yata ba siya? Because the art is about to start, guys. This is our last night here in Varanasi, guys. So we really need to see the Aarti. That's why I'm taking Ate Ana to the Aarti. Because it would be such a waste if she won't see the Aarti, guys. Because it's really a nice and you'll really feel the spiritual thing inside you, you know. Look, guys, oh. Where's their destination? We just go with them because they're almost full. But us, we're still not full, guys. Still a lot of space needed for us to... Ay. See, guys. So that's how the posing should be, like bayaw. Facing back with the, with the bridge. That's how our photo should be best. What's taking so long? It's taking so long, Bash. Ayun, Bash. Masyadong kita, Bash. Bye, Namo Ghat. Dito lang pala ako makaharap ng mga fanay. Ayun, look, guys. Namo Ghat. Hi, Bash. Hi.
हाँ ठंडा कर लीजिए
Nakakuha na pala ng life jacket, Bash.
Hello!
anymore because it's starting. So guys, this is the situation right now at the boat ride. As you can see, there are tons of people who are standing up in the boat just to see the performance of the Aarti. But as you can see, you won't be able to see. As you can see, you won't be able to see it. But good thing, I have witnessed the Aarti performance already, thankfully. But of course, Ate Ana needs to witness it. But since she's a tiny girl, you know. So yeah. So you should be really early, guys, if you're planning to see the Aarti, because at least you should see them up close and not in boats because it's hard. You're so far. We are so far. So, hi. So guys, we went to a different ghat which is nearby the Aarti. So guys, we left the boat now and we docked nearby the Aarti ghat, where the Aarti ghat is happening, so that we can just walk nearby. It's just nearby, guys, because watching it from afar is not good. That's why. I have walked here. Ghat. Vangkay. Vangkha.
बड़ा रूम हो, बहुत बड़ा नहीं है।
रामचंद्र की बाबा विश्वनाथ की अन्नपूर्णा माता की संत महात्मा ऋषियों की भारत माता की पार्वती पताए
Anywhere. Let's lang besh sa ano. So guys, earlier in the crowd, we were standing in the crowd and it's really super hard to go out and enter. So there was this kid, she's a girl, and she touched my face suddenly, so I did like that because I was really so shocked because I'm not used that someone touches my face. Bess, how do you feel? Hot. Hot. It's really super hot. It's really super hot, but ang cute ba siya ng ilaw? The light. Dito tayo sa gilid. Yung video ka. Di ba? Ano lang, ang tempo. Di ba? Tayo ba sa gilid? Bes, sa gilid o sa gitna meron. Hindi mo na saan tayo, Hare Krishna. Free milk for children. Exploring last night here in Varanasi. So we're just exploring and we'll be walking down the streets like their markets and we'll look for a ride somewhere. because there's no available auto in this street, guys. Ang ganda ba, so? Bongga naman pala eh.
Yes, so this is metro. Metro. Drone. Picture.
Ah, drone.
Yeah. Laser show. Laser show. So many
Ano?
different.
Actually lang yan. Tayo, Besh. Tayo, Besh. Baga dito makapagsapalaran. It's so hard to walk here in India, guys. Mas dati. Hi! Patay si ano niyan, si Maruha.
Hello ma'am, nice to meet you. Pan nahi.
Money, ito ba peso? Money exchange. Mga foods. The foods.
Excuse me, change money.
Ano, we just saw it.
$86
No, no,
and
change.
Thai baht 2.45 Thai baht.
We're not from Thailand.
You are from?
Philippines.
So $86.
We don't have that. You have Philippine peso, I have? Philippine peso?
Dollar you can change 86.
I don't have that. Ni, ano, dito matawag. Guys, I don't know how will we sapalaran here. It's too crowded. I don't know where will we get an auto or whatsoever, guys, or do we still need to go somewhere or what? Gosh, how can we enter? My gosh. Iwas naman sila sa tao. Oh, shit. Ay. Arbaya. Ay, ito sikat yata ito eh. Bandar. I think it's a famous ano. Parang famous yan, Besh. So guys, we are in the middle of nowhere and somewhere, and I'll just be googling our place. 22 minutes. Tama, best. Dito na nga. We'll cross here. Gosh, how can we cross? It's full of ano. So from this place, it's gonna take 22 minutes by car. See guys, look at the traffic. It's a lot. Actually, I love India because of those things. But sometimes it's a bit hectic and scary, especially when we're crossing down the streets. So yeah, we'll just be going to that side. And we'll go. Let's see if we can get an auto nearby this place. So, chale. I'm so sleepy na, guys. And we're still walking in the streets because we can't find any auto inside the street. So, we'll need to walk more, I think, to find an auto. And of course, when we arrive at the hotel, we need to arrange our stuff because we'll be leaving early tomorrow. Bye na eh. So, let's wait and see. Golden Lotus. Yes. Golden Lotus, yes. Anong best? Golden Lotus. Golden Lotus. Sabi niya? 200? Kay Kuya kaya? Magkano kaya kay Kuya?
Varnapur.
You know? Ha?
Varnapur.
This one? You know, Baya? Sure? Okay. 200 ah?
हाँ 200
Okay, 200. Boat, 200 boat. Okay.
Iniwan mo si Kuya.
Hindi, sabi niya dito na daw tayo. Kasi hindi niya alam eh.
अरे भोसड़ी वाले लवकत ना मोड़त है अनहर अनहर हो अनहर मेरे सोबत चुदवा
Walang magpapatay. Baya, Kajuri Colony?
आज भी कानूनी कैंटोनमेंट दे रहा है
Ha?
कैंटोनमेंट
Wait, Baya. Wait. 200. Alam niyo, saan ako talaga, Besh? Kaway-kaway na lang dati. Takot na takot pa mga person. We're here na guys at the railway station. You go. Okay, so early in the morning, we're so stressed. Early in the morning. I thought that the train will leave us again, or I thought the train that will leave us, so good thing not. And I paid for the porter, which cost just 200 rupees, so it's good na also to get a porter so that you can move fast because our things are heavy. Okay, our luggages went fast. It's so fast, guys.